Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you're all doing well. Today's tutorial will be a special one for Eid, featuring a beautiful Mehndi design. Despite my exams coming up, I wanted to create this tutorial for you. I've noticed that many of you only watch a part of my videos, especially the result. I kindly request you to watch the full video from start to end. Your support means a lot to me. If you try any design from my channel, please share it with me on my Instagram. DM me with a picture, and I'll share your henna pic on my Insta page. For my Instagram page, check the description for the link. I will upload one tutorial daily for you after the 18th of March. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and engaging with me by liking, sharing, and commenting your thoughts. I read all your comments and reply to each one. Remember me in your prayers and dua. Allah Hafiz.